What's up, guys? Alright, the Skillshare course for YouTube is finished, and I ended up making a bunch of new content for it. Originally, I just wanted to make a Skillshare course out of my Udemy course, but I ended up using it as more of a guide and redoing a lot of the videos to make them shorter and more effective. And I recycled a couple, but it's cool because I'm really happy with how it came out. And also, this course and any courses that I make on Skillshare, you guys can get for free. Eventually, I can get money from it through the premium program, right? Because you pay once per month for premium membership on Skillshare, and then you get all of the courses. So instead of having to buy individual courses, you just pay, like whether you have 20 courses or one course, you pay the same amount of money. And if you sign up with this link that's in the video, then you get it free for 2 months. And that means you can take the course, you can take other courses too. You literally get every single course on Skillshare. Check it out, okay? So now let's see a little bit about what the course looks like real quick. So again, you can check out the link in order to be able to access it, because it's a Skillshare Premium course, and you'll be able to get it for free for the first 60 days. And then afterwards, Skillshare Premium costs, I'm not actually sure. How much does Skillshare Premium cost? It costs, $15 a month, or $8.25 per month if you pay annually. Nice, cheap. That's even cheaper than my Udemy course, and you get every course on Skillshare. I like this. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like receiving money from it, because it's probably gonna be pretty small, but we'll see. We'll see, right? So now let's look at the course. So the main focus of this course is to really encourage and get people to post videos to YouTube and share them in the course in the community. Because essentially everything that you learn about YouTube doesn't really matter if you're not applying it and you're not creating content. A YouTuber is a person who creates content and uploads it to YouTube. That is what a YouTuber is. You can talk about success and failure and all that all you want, but that is what makes a YouTuber a YouTuber. So you can learn everything about YouTube, but if you're not uploading videos, you're not doing the thing that makes all that knowledge worth it. And there's a lot of emphasis on learning and other things, and people are really scared of uploading videos, and that stops them from creating content. And it's really sad, because almost any of us would hugely benefit from just making a video and talking about something we love. Like, that is hugely beneficial. And so the aim of the course is to kind of ease a lot of those burdens, but because I know like the psychology of what a person goes through when they're trying to make YouTube videos, because I've been doing it and I've made over 1,000 of them, and I've talked about some of the most intense things that I've been through in my life publicly on YouTube, right? And it's taught me a great deal about what your mind goes through when you're making videos and the things you worry about. And ultimately, we all feel nervous, and you just got to make videos anyway. Nervousness never really goes away. You just learn to stop letting it dictate how you live your life and how you make decisions. And I really try and outline that in this course, and also remind and encourage people to upload videos. And one of the ways that I do that is by taking away some of the uncertainty with videos, right? And so this is accomplished by using a worksheet, which we can actually go to by looking at the project and then downloading this resource right here. And this prompts you to make 5 videos. And the way it works is you just use basic selfie style, right? You don't need any equipment. You don't need to set anything up. All you need is your cell phone. And you're going to take your cell phone out and hold it about arm's length away from you, and switch it so that you're looking at the selfie camera so you can see what's on the front of the screen. And it's going to show your face and also the environment around you. Then you're going to pick a question. You're going to press record, and you're going to say, hey, my name is yada yada, and the question I picked is yada yada. And then you're going to answer the question, and then press stop. And that's it. Super simple. It's just to upload a video to YouTube and get you used to that process, right? And so then you just share that video with the community in Skillshare under this course, so people will be able to click on all projects here and see your videos, right? And over time, we'll be able to build up a database, and once you see other people doing the same thing, it'll be fine. Really, that at its core is what makes a YouTuber a YouTuber. uploading video. And that's really what I think about a lot in this course, is how do I keep bringing it back to that fact that everything you learn is irrelevant if you're not making content, and to not worry too much and to just make content and learn as you go. That's really, really, really important. And I give a lot of information about like different ways to record, because when you start, obviously you need to learn how to make a video and how to upload a video. These things are important, right? So then there's also reminders which kind of serve to show that, like, hey, make sure to try and do one of these questions, because you can keep going through the course, right? I can't force anybody to do these and make their own videos, and the reality is most people aren't going to, but I can make it more and more convenient and remind people and try and, be emotional and enthusiastic and spread that, right? And so I switch between talking about that enthusiasm and then sharing information, right? So at first it's just about how to record videos, and then after that we talk about how to monetize videos on YouTube. So there's a couple different ways, and ad revenue is actually one of the smaller ways, just for reference. A lot of people think it's all about ad revenue, but there's things that are way more profitable than ad revenue. You can earn a lot more from your own product, for example, than you can from having advertisement revenue for a couple thousand of subscribers. So after that, we talk a lot about the contents of what makes a YouTube video from the creator's perspective. Because from a YouTuber's perspective, you've seen YouTube videos, you've used YouTube most likely. You've watched some videos there. So you know what that side of it's like. But from the creator's perspective, they needed to create the title. They needed to think of the format of the video. They needed to write the description. They wrote the tags. They did a thumbnail. They chose the cards, the end screens, all of these little details that went into the video. And so I'd break everything down into one specific video about that specific subject and just talk about it for a couple minutes. So if you go through this and you do all this and you follow this worksheet here, you are like gold. That is going to save you a lot of time and a headache from things that I had to go through the hard way. I really tried to think hard in this course and also make it in a way that's easy for people to consume and fun. Alright guys, again, if you want to check it out, check the link in the description. It's free for Skillshare access, and you get my course and all the other courses on Skillshare. After that, it's like $15 a month, so it's really not that expensive. And you can always just cancel and just get your free 260 days. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.